Sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin yung tinatawag na fundamental counting principle. Okay, so ano ba si fundamental counting principle or also known as FCP? Okay, so ano ba yan? Si fundamental counting principle, isa siyang method of counting. Kung saan, it's actually a method of counting the number of ways multiple events can occur simultaneously or multiple objects can be put together. Okay? So, si fundamental counting principle or si FCP, ang binibilang niya is yung number of ways or yung ilang ways pwedeng mangyari ang multiple events ng magkakasabay. Or binibilang niya kung ilang ways or sa ilang paraan natin pwedeng pagsama-samahin yung iba't ibang mga objects. Okay? So, tignan natin tong nasa kanan. Okay? Yung situation natin para mas maintindihan. Sabi dyan, suppose we have 2 types of buns and 3 types of meat. Okay? 2 types of buns. Ano yung 2 types of buns natin? Isang classic, isang bow. Yan. Ito yung 2 types of bun natin. Isa na yan. Ito. Isang classic, isang bow. Okay? Tapos we also have 3 types of meat. Isang beef, isang chicken, isang pork. Okay? Ang tanong, how many kinds of sandwiches or burgers can we make? Okay, dito meron tayong 2 objects. Yung buns and type of meat. Yun yung 2 objects natin na ang gagawin natin, syempre gagawa tayo ng burgers or sandwiches. So that means these two objects will be put together. And pag tinanong ilang sandwiches, ilang types ng sandwiches ang mabubuo natin, ang tinatanong natin dyan is in how many ways can we put the different buns and the different meats together? Paano natin sila, ilang ways natin sila mapagsasama-sama ng iba-ibang combinations. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Manu-manuhin muna natin. Pagdating kay classic, ibahin natin yung kulay. Pagdating kay classic, so, kay classic, meron tayong 3 options, no? Kay classic, we have beef. So, pwede tayong, sa isang classic bun, pwede tayong maglagay ng beef, pwede tayong maglagay ng chicken, pwede tayong maglagay ng pork. Okay? So, kung gagawin natin yan, we will have one type of combination or one type of burger, yung beef plus classic bun. Another type of burger, si chicken plus classic bun. And third type, si pork plus classic bun. Similarly, pagdating kay bow, 3 ways din, no? Bakit? Pwede natin ilagay si beef sa loob niya. Pwede rin natin siyang lagyan ng chicken. So, 2 na yan. And, syempre, pwede rin si pork. So, 3 ulit. So, in each type of bun, meron tayong 3 combinations na mabubuo. Beef, classic plus beef, classic plus chicken, classic plus pork, bow plus beef, bow plus chicken, and bow plus pork. So, all in all, meron tayong 6 ways of putting these together or 6 ways of making a sandwich or 6 types of sandwich that we can make. Okay. So, ayan ay ano lang, no, tree diagram lang ang ginawa natin dyan. Pero paano natin gagamitin si fundamental counting principle? Okay. Si fundamental counting principle, ito ang sinasabi niya. No? If an event A, o pinangalanan lang yung event, no? Event A can occur in X different ways. And another event, pangalanan nating event B, can occur in Y different ways. There are X times Y ways that both events can occur simultaneously. Okay. So again, yung event na yan din yung objects, no? Okay? So, before natin puntahan to, no, let us define first what an event is. Okay? Si event na yung tinutukoy natin na event dyan. Okay? Yung event na yan, no? We can think of it as the instances, no? Instances where we have to make a choice. Kasi pwede siyang different object, pwede siyang position, mamaya makikita natin yan. Okay, in this case, yung event natin, yung instance na kailangan nating mamili is mamimili tayo dun sa type of bun and mamimili tayo dun sa type of meat. So we have two instances in this case, no, or two events. Sabi dyan, kung ang event A daw can occur in X different ways, or in other words, it can, we have X different options for event A, and we have Y different options for event B. Yung number of ways daw na pwede natin pagsamahin yon is X times Y. Okay, so again, yung event natin, yun yung instance where we have to make a choice. So that is yung mamimili tayo ng type of bun and type of meat. So we have two events. Okay, so solve natin ngayon. Solution. Event A, anong meron tayo sa event A? Type of bun. Okay, again, yung can occur in X different ways, ibig sabihin lang yan, ilang options ang meron tayo. And we have two options, or it can occur in two different ways. It can occur as a classic bun, or it can occur as a bao bun. Okay. Event B, the type of meat. And in this instance, we have three options. Okay, sabi sa FCP, if event A can occur in X different ways, or if we have X number of options in event A, and we have Y options in event B, multiply lang natin sila. In this case, we will have to multiply 2 times 3, which equals 6. Therefore, we have 6 different ways, different types of sandwiches or burgers that we can make. Okay. Yan ngayon yung ating Yan ngayon yung ating final answer. Yan lang yung sinasabi ni fundamental counting principle. Ilan yung option mo sa event A, times mo sa number of options mo sa event B. Ngayon kung meron pa, times mo ulit dun sa number of options ng iba pang events. Now, there are 3 common uses of FCP. Simple counting, arrangement without repetition, and arrangement with repetition. Yung ginawa natin kanina is simple counting. Bakit? We have 3 events at 2 events or multiple events. Binilang natin yung option sa event A, binilang natin yung option sa event B, minultiply natin, tapos na. Nag-count lang tayo basically. Tapos minultiply lang natin yung binilang natin. Okay? So, ito yung ang example niyan ay ito. Ngayon, arrangement without repetition and arrangement with repetition. Minsan kasi may mga instances na mamimili tayo pero kailangan nating i-take into account yung anong tawag dito? Kailangan natin i-take into account yung arrangement. Okay? So, yung arrangement, pwede siyang with repetition, pwede siyang without repetition. Okay. So, paano yan? For example, okay, dito tayo sa arrangement with repetition, ha? Arrangement with repetition. For example, meron tayong 3 ballpen. Yan, 3 ballpen. Itong isa si red, itong isa si green, at itong isa si blue. So, red, green, blue ang pens natin. Tapos, gusto mo, ang gawin mo, ililinya mo siya. For example lang, gusto mo siyang ilinya. Ayan, nakapilang ganyan. Halimbawa, yan yung mga ballpen, no? Gusto mo siya ipila ng ganyan. Ngayon, how many different ways can we put these pens, 3 pens, in a row? Yun ngayon ang problem natin. Anong arrangements ang pwede natin gawin, basically? Okay? So, ano yung events natin dyan? Sabi natin kanina, events, ayun yung instances na mamimili ka. O dito, kanina sa simple counting, yung instance na namili tayo is per object. Per object namili tayo. So, per object is 1 event. Dito, isa lang yung type ng object natin. Pero kasi, since arrangement ang pinag-uusapan natin, per position will be an event or an instance where we have to make a choice. So, position 1 or pen 1 will be event A. Bakit? Kasi, mamimili ka dyan kung anong pen ang ilalagay mo as pen 1 dito sa position na to. Are you going to put red? Are you going to put green? Are you going to put blue? Okay, so that will be our event A, the instance where we have to make a choice. Okay, and in this case, sa position number 1, we have 3 options, no? 3 options pa tayo dyan. Kasi, wala pa tayong ilalagay. Ngayon, event B is going to be position 2 for pen 2. Pero, ilang options ang meron tayo? Okay. For example, sa pen 1, nilagay natin halimbawa si red. Halimbawa lang si red. O dahil nilagay na natin si red sa position 1 or sa pen 1, pagdating sa pen 2, dalawa na lang ang options natin. Either green or blue. Kasi si red nakalagay na sa pen 1. Okay, so mababawasan yung option natin. 2 options na lang siya. Okay. Ngayon, si pen 3 is going to be event C. And, for example, nilagay natin dito si blue na pen. O dahil nilagay na natin si blue, hindi na siya available. Okay? So, ang mailalagay mo na lang sa pen tree ay isa na lang. Okay? So, sabi, again, dahil may bilang na tayo per event, sabi ni FCP, multiply lang daw natin sila. 3 times 2 times 1. That is going to be equal to 6 as well. Okay? So, try natin tignan. Ano-ano yung mga arrangements na pwede natin gawin. Bilangin muna natin ano yung options na, arrangements na nasa unahan si red. Okay? Kapag nasa unahan si red, pwedeng pangalawa si green, pwedeng pangatlo si blue. Pwede na naman pangalawa si blue, pangatlo si green. Pag nasa unahan naman si blue, pwedeng pangalawa si red, pangatlo si green, pwede rin pangalawa si green, pangatlo si red. Pag nasa unahan naman si green, pwedeng nasa pangalawa si blue, nasa dulo si red, pwede rin naman nasa gitna si red, nasa dulo si blue. Okay, all in all, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 options. Or 6 number of ways that we can place them in a line, no, the pens. Okay, so kapag arrangement without repetition, every event, every succeeding event will decrease the options. Kasi nga, kapag naglagay ka, hindi mo na pwedeng ilagay yung pinili mo dun sa iba pa. Okay, pag nilagay mo na pag naglagay ka na ng isa as pen 1, hindi mo na siya pwedeng i-assign as pen 2. Kaya nababawasan without repetition. Now, ano naman si with repetition? So, with repetition, arrangement din siya, pero pwede mong ulit-ulitin. Piliin ng paulit-ulit yung mga options mo. For example is, halimbawa sa halo-halo. Yan, bumili ka ng halo-halo. Special. Okay, so yan, may halo-halo, may laman. Ito yung kutsara, no? Ayan. Tapos lalagyan ng toppings. Ngayon, ang pwede mong toppings, pwedeng ube, pwedeng leche flan, pwedeng ano bang pwedeng topping sa langka. Yan. Meron tayo ngayong 3 options, no, sa toppings. Okay, again, pag arrangement, ang events natin are the positions. Okay, or the yung numbering. Okay, yung assignments natin. Okay, so halimbawa, pwede tayong mamili dahil mayaman tayo, 4 na toppings ang pwede natin ipalagay. Okay, so 4 toppings ang pwede nating piliin. Okay, so dahil meron tayong 4 na toppings na pwedeng piliin, that means we have 4 instances that we can choose, or that we have to make a choice. And because we have 4 instances that we have to make a choice, we have 4 events. Event A, Event B, Event C, and Event D. Ano-ano yung events na yan? Siyempre, si topping 1, si topping 2, si topping 3, and si topping 4. Ngayon, kay topping 1, dahil meron tayong 3 choices, ube, leche flan, langka, we have 3 options. Ngayon, pagdating sa topping 2, sa event B, kung saan mamimili tayo, pwede pa rin natin piliin si ube. Unless ubos na yung ube bigla nung tindero, no? Pero in this case, ina-assume natin na hindi pa ubos. Ibig sabihin, pwede nating piliin ng paulit-ulit yung napili na natin dati. Okay, so halimbawa, pinili natin si ube sa unahan, sa topping 1, tapos dahil favorite mo si ube, pwede mo pa rin piliin si ube. So, hindi na babawasan yung option natin. So, kahit nasa topping 2 na tayo, 3 pa rin ang options natin. So, ngayon, pinili mo na si ube sa una at pangalawang topping. Favorite mo nga. Pwede mo pa rin siyang piliin. So, hindi pa rin nababawasan ng option natin. hanggat hindi nauubos yung ube ng tindero. Hindi nababawasan. Okay? So, hanggang makarating ka sa pang-apat na topping, kung ube talaga, pwede mo siyang piliin ng paulit-ulit. Okay? So, in each event, we have the same number of options. Kasi hindi siya nababawasan. Okay? Ang sabi ni FCP, multiply lang. So, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. Therefore, we have 81 different ways or different combinations of toppings